How to plant Anaheim pepper. If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. So let me show you how you can plant or grow Anaheim pepper step by step, and let's dive right in. And this is how the Anaheim chili pepper looks like. So how to plant your Anaheim chili pepper, chili hot pepper. So this is what it looks. It's a little bit, it's almost like it's growing already. You know, you can see that this will not take long for it to start making flowers. And I bought it on a purpose because it will not take long. It will start growing very soon, start making pepper. And so when we take a look, this is what it looks like. It is Anaheim chili hot pepper, and it says its long tempered fruits are deep green, turning red, medium hot. Maturity is 75 days. How to grow it. So plant in full sun, 18 to 24 inches, 46 to 61 centimeter, and apart in rows. So if you are planting in a garden, that's how you have to plant it. Since we are planting in a container, we are just going to start planting. You make a hole in the soil, in the middle of the soil or the center of the soil. And I am just going to take one of these out. You have to be careful sometimes. If this is hard, you just have to use something to pry the sides to loosen it out before taking it out. If not, you are going to break the stem, and you don't want to do that. So I remove this carefully. I put it in the center here. I bring the soil on top. I use my 2 fingers. As you can see, these 2 fingers. And then I push down on it. Then I bring more soil. Then I push down again on it. So that holds it in the center. You can add more soil if you want. If I think it needs it. So I'm going to add a little bit more soil on there. And that's this one. And then the next one, the same thing. You're just going to make a hole in the center here. And this is actually Miracle-Gro soil. The in ground one. This is not meant for a pot, but I'm just testing it out to see if this actually will grow things in a pot. So this is a test soil this is a test gardening soil we are testing out. So once it's in the center, bring your soil and then push it down to hold it in the center and hold it firm. So now this is firm, it's not going to go anywhere. So that's it. And that's enough soil, but if you want, you can add more. Just going to add a little bit more there. And the next thing we have to do is we just have to give it a water. So we give it water. So it will help with the growing process quickly. If you know somebody who is into gardening or who is a beginner into gardening, you can share this video with them. If you want to join the beginner gardeners, you can subscribe to the family. You can subscribe to the channel to join the family. If you have any questions for me, you can leave it in the comment section below for me. If you have any tips, any ideas, every idea is welcome. If you want to know how I make my soil, I have the playlist that will show you everything, how to mix the soil before you put it in the pot, what type of pot to use. So you can subscribe to the channel to join the family of beginner gardeners. And now that we're giving it water, enough water, this should help with the process of the growth quickly. And that's it for this one. And then let me show you how to plant the next pepper. And I will see you there. Let's start right now.
And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start.